In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Bolt UI Manager. Before doing this, make sure that you follow this tutorial to install Bolt UI Manager asset. Let's get started. First, let's download the Bolt UI Quick Start asset here, see the link in the video description, and import it. Open the demo scene. We have an open screen button here with an embed macro. And we also have a simple pop-up UI prefab with an embed macro. Note that in order to work with Bolt UI Manager, the screen prefab must have these three components. And only one child named root. This child must have a canvas group component attached to it. OK. To open the simple pop-up UI, from the hierarchy, select Open Screen button, go to Flow Graph, right-click and search for Bolt UI Open Screen. Select this one. Connect the On button click event to this one, and also connect the screen prefab to it. Done. Let's play Unity. OK, it works. For now, the close button doesn't work, because we have not configured it yet. Let's select Simple Pop-up UI Prefab, go to Flow Graph. Search for Bolt UI Close Screen. And select this one. Connect On button click event to this one. OK. Let's play Unity again. OK. The close function worked now. We can also change the open close screen animation. Like this. We can also change the animation duration. Let increase a little bit. OK. So after this tutorial, we've already known how to open, close, and configure the animation of a simple pop-up. Let's see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.